your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video. Today is just going to be a quick tutorial on putting this billet grille on the front lower bumper for my 2013 Durango, courtesy of the little boo-boo I had a couple of weeks ago where I hit something that was in the grass and pretty much did all this crap to it. So the billet grille, I guess a black billet grille, got it on Amazon. I'll put the link on the bottom of the video if anybody wants to look into it. So I had to remove a couple of pieces from the old one to get this done. Pretty much this piece and this piece, which I'm gonna have to wind up replacing pretty soon, but for the moment I'm gonna have to put it on the way it is. Yeah. Stupid road sign was in the grass, knocked over, didn't see it, went over it, and that's the result. So to do the billet grille, well, to have it secured, it has to be secured into this. When I was about to do it the other night, I didn't have the piece off, so I wasn't able to put the billet grille in because, as you can see, it's got to go faceted into this. So I won't be able to get this in properly until that's put in. So I'll flip this over.